In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause or flag a Jira issue that's temporarily blocked. If you've ever been in the middle of a sprint and had work suddenly stop because of a missing credential, a vendor delay, or changing business requirements, you already know why this matters. Leaving that issue sitting in progress can distort your board, your team's velocity, and your view of what's actually being worked on. The good news is that Jira gives you a couple of clean ways to handle this. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your company's Jira cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're in, open the software project you're actively working in so you can view the main Agile board. From there, find the issue you want to update. The first option is to move the issue into an on-hold style status if your Jira workflow already includes one. Click the issue to open its detail panel, usually on the right side of the screen. At the top of that panel, look for the current status field, which may say something like in progress. Open the status dropdown and choose on hold, paused, or blocked, depending on how your team has named that state. This is the cleanest method because it updates the issue's workflow directly. Once the status changes, it's a good idea to document why the work has stopped. In the issue details, find the work description area or the comment field and add a short, clear note explaining the blocker. Keep it professional and specific so anyone reviewing the ticket later understands what happened and what the team is waiting on. Then save the update. If your board uses a simpler workflow and doesn't include a custom hold status, you can use Jira's flagging feature instead. Go back to the board, hover over the issue card, and open the issue options using the card menu. From there, choose Add Flag. This applies a high visibility marker to the issue so the team can instantly see that something is blocked, even if the workflow status itself doesn't change. If you prefer working quickly from the keyboard, there's also a shortcut. Click the issue card once to highlight it. Make sure you're not typing inside any field and press the F key. That will toggle the flag on or off without needing to use the mouse. Before you finish, do a quick review of your board. Make sure the issue now shows either the updated hold status or the visual flag, and confirm that it's clearly visible in the shared project view. That final check helps ensure your board stays accurate and your sprint reporting remains reliable. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.